What is up, F It Outdoors? I love second takes on intros, you know, especially when it's 98 degrees outside and you're sweating to death. I mean, look at this cheeseburger sweat I got going on right here. That's some fat kid special right there.
Cheeseburgers in paradise.
So I'm with my brother Brandon. Go check out his channel at Osborne Free TV. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. We're gonna do a little bit of yakking today. I got my yak, his yak. We're getting ready to drag Mama's yak out of there. I think we're dropping little sister off somewhere.
Yep. Yes. Try to catch
We're gonna try to get some slaunches, bucket mouth, slobs, whatever the hell you want to call them. We're gonna throw the kitchen sink at them and try to figure out what it is they want. So do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave your comments, good or bad. I don't care if they're bad. I just want to know what you guys think, and stick with us. Here we go. All right, folks. Well, here's my kayak in all of our glory right here. I just wanted to give you a little quick rundown of what I got going on here. Got two rod holders in the back that came with the kayak. I added one right there in between my legs, and then I added one there on the other side of my box, and that one's for whatever. It's mainly there for another GoPro mount facing me, but I haven't really made it that far as getting one hooked up or whatever. Then I added this dry box right here, which is full of all kinds of stuff. If I can get it open. I got a little Tupperware thing in here. It's got 2 more GoPro batteries and some SD cards, cutters, all kinds of plastic baits, jigs, that whole deal. Little tackle bag in the front, a little cooler in the back. My shoes, I added these paddle holders, one on each side. This is the Future Beach Angler 10.4. Future Beach Angler 10.4. First time kayakers, get the scupper plugs or your ass will get wet. There's 2 holes behind every seat and then 2 up front. So that's just a little quick rundown of my kayak and the way I've got it set up. Here's the blue one. Blue paddle.
No, he always gives me the blue. Fuck that. Give me the black one.
What's wrong? Oh, what's wrong with it?
It doesn't have the rubber stoppers.
Oh, don't have this good.
Yeah, he always gives me the blue one. Fuck him.
I got that on film, by the way. I'm 100% filming right now. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to see his reaction when he sees what paddle she gave him. The only reason why I'm facing you right now is to get your reaction when you realize what paddles she fucking left you with. Yeah, she didn't know my camera was running, so you're gonna have to wait till I post it to see what she said. He said he sticks me with this paddle every goddamn time. Fuck him. It's good stuff.
It looks like a white bass or a striper. I was like, it looks like crappie. She's like, holy shit, this is crappie.
What'd you catch that on?
Ew, you're not going to eat out of here, are you?
My dad does.
That's right.
He said my dad does. Got him. Nope. It's a fucking smallmouth, dude. Pretty sure. No, I got that on Texas rig crawl. It might be a largie, dude.
Green or brown?
I can't really tell.
Take your glasses off.
Oh, it's large. He's green.
Yeah.
He just has no markings at all.
Dark ass water.
Well, I mean, it's usually they turn whitish color though, you know what I mean?
Craw fish.
Yeah, on the rage
Oh, rig tail.
rage crawl. Got the skunk out of the yak. You know, one thing I've learned though, it's a lot harder to set the hook in these kayaks. Especially fishing something like this. I got exposed, you know what I mean? Putting.
Fish.
Nuh-uh.
I swear to God. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
Stop it.
On that shaky head,
Yep.
just letting it sit.
Yep. Forever. It's my battery out. And I just turned it on too.
Maybe we should be deadlining.
Right? Found her. There you go. Sun's setting now. Well, makes me feel better. Get caught in the skirt.
Yeah. Almost all the more reason to frickin' tie a jig on, dude. I'm doing it. Oh, I got a good one, dude. Yes. Yes. Well, he fought like a 3-pounder.
Right. I tell you what, that's the size all them fish we caught out there the other day with Wade, when I was that video Wade. It's all 1 pound, pound and a half, 2 pounders,
Do something dumb. Got him. Oh, that's a good one, dude. Real good one. Oh. Come on, dude. Open your mouth. Same freaking thing. Yep, bounced it off that tree, dude. That's a pattern. Hell yeah, dude. That one's chunky. Got another one. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, that's a good one. That's a good one. Holy shit. Yes, dude. Oh, we gotta scale that one. Did you tie a jig on yet? Don't be that guy. I told Gino that all the time. Hey, dude, I'm talking B. I was only 3 foot away from that tree and just pitched it over there and let it fall right down in front of it and nailed it. Did you see that, Aaron? I'd say it's every bit of 3. That one's heavy. That's a female. Yeah. See if we can make her jump. Oh, straight down. So that's the fish that you brought me here for, right? That kind of fish? Well, I think I'm gonna stick right here by these trees for a second. We got 3 minutes left on this card. I'm gonna have to erase some of that footage from earlier just so I can keep it all on the same card. Yeah, you see that branch that's going down at an angle? Right here? Yeah. I just let it fall. Like literally this far away from it and just let it fall. All of a sudden my line just started going under my boat. Alright, fellas. So it was hot. It was muggy. I threw everything under the sun at these fish. They came up with 4. 2 really good ones. One really, really good one. But definitely gonna come back here and give this spot another try. So I appreciate you watching my kayaking video. Go down and hit that subscribe button. Go down and hit that like button. Leave me some comments. See if you want me to do. I want to see if you guys want to see more of the kayak adventures, because I know eventually my fat ass is going to fall out of this. So, you know, like always, well, here, before we go there, check out your local, you know, area maps and try to, this is 2 times in a row I went to an exploratory place that was public and nobody was there, and I wound up catching good fish. So don't be scared to hit them local waterways up. Alright? So like always, say F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed it'll be a lot better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.